Running a small business? You know, digital marketing is essential, but where should you invest for the best results? Let's break it down. Traditional marketing can be expensive and hit or miss. But with digital marketing, you get targeted, data-driven strategies that reach the right audience without wasting your budget. Your website is your digital storefront. Make sure it's mobile-friendly, loads fast, and has clear CTAs to convert visitors into customers. SEO is how customers find you. Optimize your site with the right keywords, improve on-page SEO, and use Google My Business for local rankings. Social media isn't just about posting. It's about building relationships. Consistency, engagement, and targeted ads can turn followers into loyal customers. With email marketing, you can nurture leads, send promotions, and keep customers engaged. It has one of the highest ROI rates in digital marketing. Want quick results? PPC ads on Google and Facebook put your business in front of the right audience instantly, driving more traffic and sales. Maximize your ROI by setting clear goals, tracking performance, and using automation tools to scale your efforts efficiently. Want a digital marketing strategy that actually works? MarketingGear can help. Contact us today and let's grow your business together.